Alright, this is a very short video showing you where the power button is located on your LG TV. There's actually 4 different places where this could be, and I'll show you all of them. So first place where it can be, actually 3 places, is under. Right over here. Could be on the left side, center, or right side. If you can, just pass your hand, and once you feel a small bump, try clicking on it, and if you hear a click, well, this is where the button is. If you can, simply turn the TV around. And as we see here, right under the LG logo, this is the power button. Another place where it could be located is on the back of the TV. So older models have the button on the back and side, left or right side. So check this place if it's not located under the TV. Now to use that button is very easy. If the TV is switched off, keep it pressed 2 seconds, then release the button to turn on the TV. It will take about 7 seconds and the TV screen will power on. To open a special menu, give it a single tap while the TV screen is turned on. This menu will appear and you'll be able to power it off, to change the inputs, to change volume up, down, and to change the channels. That menu disappears if after a few seconds nothing is selected. Let me show you again. So if I tap once, it appears, and to shuffle through the different options, you just need to tap once. So here I have input selected, then volume up, volume down, and if at any point you want to change that settings, let's say I want to lower the volume, keep that button pressed a few seconds and then volume down will be selected. Now all left to do is to give small taps, do not keep it pressed, and you see here the volume is going down. To exit the option you have selected, keep it pressed, and now we have exit volume down, and we can shuffle through another option like volume up, keep it pressed, then with small tap, the volume is going up. Once you're done, you can simply wait, don't press anything, and this menu will disappear by itself. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.